The Filipino antonyms buhay and patay. When we say buhay, it means alive. When we say patay, it means dead. Buhay, patay. Buhay, patay. Kailangan nating isipin ang buhay ng iba. We need to think about the lives of others. Kailangan means need, natin is like we, isipin is to think, and then buhay, it also means lives, and iba, others. Kailangan nating isipin ang buhay ng iba. Ang mga lumang gamit ay patay na sa uso. The old gadgets are out of fashion. Luma means old, gamit, things or gadgets. Patay na sa uso are out of fashion. Uso is like fashion or what's famous. Uso, ang mga lumang gamit ay patay na sa uso. Nais kong buhayin ang lumang tradisyon. I want to revive the old tradition. Nais means want or like. Buhayin means to revive. And then luma is old and tradisyon is tradition. Nais kong buhayin ang lumang tradisyon. Patay na ang cellphone or cellphone, kailangan i-charge. So the cellphone is drained or it's dead, it needs charging. So patay means dead or no longer working or off. Kailangan i-charge, kailangan means need, and then charge is like charging. Patay na ang cellphone, kailangan na i-charge. And that is all for our Filipino antonyms, buhay, which means alive in English, and patay, which means dead. Buhay, patay. Buhay, patay.